If we could turn memories into a bottle of perfume using brainwaves, what would it smell like? Today, my friends and I are trying this trendy Brainwave DIY Perfume Lab. I had to book ahead since reservations are mandatory here. It feels like a chemistry class, don't be late. After checking in, you need to prepare a photo, preferably one with special meaning that can trigger fluctuations in your brainwaves. I chose this Jeju outdoor photo from a typhoon shoot. It went viral with millions of views. I hope this scent reminds me that perseverance leads to new turning points. Then, list the colors, feelings, and adjectives this photo evokes on a form. Next, you enter this room, look at the photo you provided, and begin collecting brainwave data. Based on the form I filled out, the staff selected 7 scents that closely matched my descriptions. Then, while looking at the photo and smelling the scents, they used the brainwave data generated by the images and smells to determine the proportion of each scent in the perfume. This scent really smells like herbal medicine to me. I honestly can't stand it. No, thank you. After collecting the data, we just had to wait for the results. According to the chart, I had to find the 7 corresponding fragrance oils on the shelf myself, and then, following the weights listed in the chart, carefully drip them into the perfume bottle one by one. From the description, the base note of my bottle should be a cool, woody soap scent, clean with a hint of tulip and sweet, cool grass underneath. But theory and practice are always a bit different.
As long as you don't give up, there might be a turning point.
Even I had to laugh at myself. Alright, no matter what, at least I gave it a try. Today's moments of earnestness will become tomorrow's fond memories. That's all for today's sharing. Bye!